and our host over here who brought us to this place. So the three of us, we are going to be doing a shooting target. So writing down the name, writing my name down first.
I don't know. What talent? When I hold the gun and I focus and I know what to do. Trust my instinct and my skills. That's my strategy.
I don't even sweep my house floor. You come here, I can sweep their floor. I'm the mogul of the whole place.
So boring, I don't know. Shoot lab, it's called a shoot lab here in Batam. In Singapore, we just call it a basketball court. Yeah.